All right, so we're in the truck. We're gonna take this shifter stock off to send it off. And if you own a T680 and you've never taken these apart, I couldn't find anything on it on how to take it apart. Looks like mine's been taken apart before though. Anyways, you want to take and pop the top cover off. You don't want to pull on the bottom cover. You take and pop the top cover off, and then there's a couple of screws that holds the bottom cover on. You've got one here, and I think there's two on the bottom, but it looks like somebody's already taken those out and left them out. And you can see somebody's had my shifter stock off before because this screw's kind of marred up, as well as the ones on the bottom. Though these, somebody marred them up a little bit. So we'll get this bottom cover off, and then there's two screws to take the shifter stock off, and then there's a harness that'll run down in here and unplug under there somewhere. All right, so I don't know if my screws are marred up because they got this off and then tightened it too much, or they couldn't get it off. I couldn't get it off with my regular screwdriver, so I had to use an impact screwdriver and tap on that thing to get that screw out of there because I couldn't get it off. So I got to do the same to the bottom now because I can't get the bottom one out either. Alright, a couple of zip ties later, there's a yellow plug under here. You just pull on this bottom kick panel. This yellow plug plugs in up in here. That's it. There's your shifter stalk. Now there's a company out of South Carolina, not a sponsor. I don't know how good they are, but a lot of people talk about them on the forums, that you can send this thing off and get it repaired for like $500. So I'm gonna probably send it to them, let them look at it, see if there's anything wrong. We'll see if that fixes our transmission issue. So me get in contact with them, we'll get this thing sent off. And I don't know if I remember, if I remember, I told you guys, we took this thing to a shop and we got it back, and we got a bunch of stuff that wasn't working under here that we had to plug all that back in. Our Bendix isn't working anymore, so I'm thinking that's what's causing the adaptive cruise faults. So now I've got to research that and see if that got unplugged, if they unplugged that thing from somewhere. Got to fix the APU radiator once more. Give this thing a bath again. Be ready to hit the road again. Alright guys, we are working on Saturday. We've sent the part off for the truck. We're waiting on that to come back. It's probably going to be Tuesday or Wednesday, honestly. I've just been doing a lot of work in the yard. I don't know if I ever showed. I had 3 giant dirt piles here that I had when they came and cleaned out the ditch. I asked them to throw all the dirt here. And I've just been wheelbarrowing all this dirt to a bunch of flat spots or some low spots. We had some low spots over here. I went out and bought a whole bunch of grass seed. I've seeded everything and fertilized everything up to about this point. I still have to clean up all of that back there. Pretty much just been working on the house and in the yard non-stop. We are on our way to South Georgia Motorsports Park. We're gonna Lita wants to go to a car show. She's gonna put her car in the car show, so she'll probably take this. We're not looking to win any trophies. It's just a part of showing support at our local track, and she kind of wants to show off her car. She's proud of it. I mean, it's not pretty right now. It doesn't have a nice paint job or anything, but she's got all our little doodads and doohickeys, and she's got some frames. She got some stuff made up, like of the manufacturer of the hearse, the company that made the hearse and everything. So she's gonna take that. I'll probably follow her in the Fiero just in case one of us have an issue. I'm not entering mine. I'm just want to drive it, honestly. Yeah, but pretty much just been, I mean, it looks like a mess still, but so I've been running this. I got a lot of shady spots in the yard, like over here with all my junk. Like this whole area is basically always shade. So I got a different type of grass seed for here than I do for the sunny part here. But yeah, I've just got a bunch of dirt moved in here. I went through and all this has been seeded. I've been watering grass like crazy. Septic tank's there. It was kind of low. We added some more dirt. I kind of wish I'd have thrown more dirt on top of that, but my wheelbarrow ended up breaking on me. Had to get a new wheelbarrow. Just life things, you know. Just some life things. Still got I still got so much to do. It's been so nice being home from running that local work. That I just been getting so much done. I still have so much more to do. I don't know. So I'll take you guys along for this little car show. I think it's a test and tune night too, so we'll maybe get a little bit of footage of that. I'm hoping my my buddies are there. Maybe they're running their cars, and should be a good time. It's gonna be 1,000,000 degrees out today though, so that should be fun too. All right, a little bit of change of plans. I am not taking the Fiero. I want to have a couple cocktails, and I can't drive. I'm going to drink a couple cocktails.
You're going to have some clamatos.
Some clamatos. Yeah, so we're going to just leave her on the charger. I'll be riding, beach. Is your door locked?
No, I left my water truck in
Oh.
there.
All right, well, I guess we'll see you at the drag strip.
What's up?
Nothing?
I don't know where the button is. Look it.
Oh my goodness.
It's spooky time.
Let's go win a trophy. Yeah, pull up here. Here's some cash right here.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
How many signing back there? I love this.
Thanks.
Can I get a picture of it?
Yeah.
My daughter would love this.
Yeah. That's fun. Oh, did you bring the money?
Yeah.
Okay.
Supposed to go talk to somebody at a tent, get this thing signed up somewhere. I don't know if it's that tent over there.
Yeah. We
walked up. We went to the wrong tent. We went to that tent way down there.
Yeah.
Oh, they're just
some
they're just-
people.
If you could just move the tent down there, that'd be great.
You're registered, so that's all that matters.
Where do we park?
Just go over here. You can go to the left or the right. left-hand side, you can watch drag racing from right there behind your car if you want.
That's probably a good idea.
And then sun will eventually be down past the stands, and then it'll be night and not a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Hence why I'm red.
Yeah.
Y'all go enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Might not be a bad idea to back up on the left. Yeah, maybe down past this white Challenger. Look at him, he's smiling. Yeah, maybe in this gap right here. Maybe right around where that green shirt kid is.
Yeah.
Just run him over. Getting some eyeballs, baby. You're the only hearse here. That's for sure. Yeah, just kind of try to stay with this line. I don't know how much I trust that more than my mirror. Volkswagen van just pulled in. We just kind of wiped off the, you could see where cats had walked all over this thing. I had this thing, the hood nice and polished at one point, and I guess the paint's just in such bad shape that it didn't hold a shine. I'll have Lita include a picture right here of me buffing this hood up. It turned out really good, it didn't hold. So, Lita's staging the car. We'll let it cool off and we'll wipe this thing down again, Babs. I mean, you can see like these blotches here, just like somebody took a can of spray paint.
The Mustang GT silver machine over on the right side of the racetrack. We're going to restrip the line. BMW. And let them get this time run right here. You guys, this is the daily driver class of our shootout right here for cash prizes. You guys ain't fooling around right here. Daily drivers. In each class, daily drivers, all women class, and then high schoolers get two. On the right side of the track, you can see the Mustang GT on the right side of the track.
What'd you get?
Fish.
Fish?
Checking out something
Okay,
on
so
the left side of the
we're
racetrack
at
on the
the
racing
car
circuit.
show.
So you guys give us
This is
just one
us
second.
set
That's
up
what we
right
do out here. We
here.
want to make sure this is a safe environment
There's a decent amount
for
of
our
people
racers
here.
and our spectators
To show
alike.
you guys
We don't want
us
anything to happen that
set
could
up.
cause any problems. So that's why we are get somebody on top of it. We've got the best in the business
This is
right here.
us.
Our Trek prep and our safety crew, our fire crew. The folks that work here, they spend long hours before the event and long hours after the event is over with and everybody's gone home, but these guys are out here doing their thing. Our track crew, our prep crew, our fire and safety guys, we can't say enough about these guys. They are the best at what they do, and they do it. Daily drivers, this is first round of eliminations.
Oh, it's called Penny. Look at all these Broncos, except for that one. Hi.
Daily drivers, shootout drivers, we need you to lane at 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. for daily drivers. This is first round, and you guys are going to be in lanes 1 and 2. 1 and 2, daily drivers. We'll need you to lanes 1 and 2 at 8:30 p.m. Right here on the left lane, to the front body, we're going to reset it right here. Daily driver shootout drivers, listen up guys, for the daily driver shootout, first round of elimination, we're going to meet at the rear staging for
Oh, the Volkswagen's packing up. Volkswagen's packing up.
Great Mustang. All right guys, here we go. Out of the starting line here with the foul.
Yay, air.
Yay, air conditioning.
Right there. Is that okay?
It's fine. Oh, that's not the window.
Oh, no, you
That's
want
not the window.
doors again.
Which one's the window? There it is.
Look at my spooky lanterns.
Where?
The ones on the side.
Oh,
That's the coolest part. I love that shit. I wiped this window shield like off and like it's still smudgy as hell.
You gotta blow your horn.
What?
I said you gotta blow your horn.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were gonna do it right then. I would have been ready for it.
You said you gotta blow
They
your
freaked out.